Okay, little screencast video, hopefully to show people how to push out individual tasks that are already in projects. Click modify. Make sure your class is connected, and like currently I'm on 8C3. Because we're on an individual class page, we really can't do anything, can't grab any other classes. We've got the Australian Values and Belief Systems clicked, press next. We come over here to this down arrow, and we're going to leave most things as they are, because I'm not going to touch week 1 and week 2 tasks because they're already there, and just ignore emails. And we're going to click on these. Need to change the unit date. Change the unit date. Change the unit to date. Change to unit date. Unit date. Unit date. Unit date. Unit date. And unit date. 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 Okay. So we're not really changing much. We did change the closing date of these, but we've just ticked these to push them through. We click modify, and I missed one. Try that again. Hopefully I haven't missed one. Modify. My Unity is very, very slow tonight.